If Valorant is not working on your PC and showing DirectX runtime error, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end to learn how you can solve this error. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. DirectX runtime error basically means there is an issue with the installed DirectX version. Either you haven't got the required DirectX version for running the game or the installed version is corrupted. In either case, we know how to fix it. Simply follow till the end to fix it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on the latest videos. Also, leave us a like and share this video with your friends who are facing the same issue. So, let's begin. What you need to do is search DirectX Runtime Download on Google and open the first result from Microsoft.com. Here, select the installer language you prefer and click on Download. Wait for the download to finish and run the installer. Complete the installation and wait for the installation to finish. While you are waiting, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. After the installation completes, restart your PC. Now, run Valorant and you should no longer get the DirectX runtime error. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.